Yeah, Sheikh. I have a quick question. I have somebody that have underlying disease. He cannot control his urine, so there is a hose that's passed through his uterus. So he has a bag that he puts by his side in the pocket and all that. So my question now is, how does he make wudu to pray since he has urine with him in his pocket? Does he have to make wudu, or he doesn't have to make wudu and just pray?
Yeah, that individual belongs to Ashabul A'dhar. So he should make wudu for each salah when the time enters. But having the urine contained somewhere doesn't affect his wudu. Yeah. But he should make wudu every time that he when the time enters. Like let's say the adhan for Asr now, so he goes and he makes wudu and he prays the nawafil of Asr. If he chooses to pray those 4 rak'ahs before Asr and Asr with that wudu, and having a container of urine next to him doesn't nullify that. So he's okay there, inshallah. Jazakallahu khair.
So he has missed, because he's concerned about the urine and having the urine with him. So he has missed some salah pass without, because he doesn't know what to do, because he doesn't know.
No, he should keep up with the salah, like I said. Like I said, for every salah he makes wudu when the time is enters, and he prays, inshallah. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum.